Yo, attention credit repair businesses that have not hit the 10K a month mark, have not hit 6 or 7 figures yet, or just feel stuck in their business like they can't move forward. Listen up, because this is going to be the most important, most impactful, most influential video that you've seen, and you need to know this information. So right now, why should you listen to Blade? My name is Blade, by the way. Why should you listen to Blade? When we pull this up, it's going to pop up on your screen in 3, 2, and 1. What up? 3, 2, 1. Awesome. It's right there. So right now we're working with one client. He spent around $580 and he got 280 leads for an average of cost per on Facebook lead of around $1 to maybe $2.50. Okay. This other guy over here is on my laptop I pulled up. He spent $138, got 96 leads with an average cost per on Facebook lead of $1.45. Now, that's amazing. That's crazy. That's unheard of. So obviously, we know what we're doing when it comes to getting leads. But the problem is, once you have this lead, that does not mean that they're giving you money. That does not mean that they're dishing you out that cash just yet. But let's get them to do that. I'm going to show you exactly how we do this in our masterclass. Click that link down below. But pretty much I'm going to sum it up in this video just so that you can know what we're doing so I can get you to that masterclass. So what we do here is, first, let me explain something. We met with multi-millionaires, multi-billionaires with credit repair businesses that are doing 6 to 7 figures a month. All right, and all these credit repair businesses say the same exact thing, that once they implemented this system, 100 clients is a lot easier than your right now. I guarantee you, 100 clients of theirs with their systems is a lot easier than your current 2 clients right now. I guarantee you that once they implementing these systems, and these systems is something I'm about to go over right now. So how we do this is we get these leads. So let's say we get these leads until some markers here. Let's say we get these leads at $2 per result, per lead. Say $2/lead. All right. Let's say we got 100 leads. 100 leads, and let's say so yeah, there's 100 leads, you're spending $200 to get them. All right, from there, out of those 100 leads, let's say we close 20 out of those 100 leads, and I know we can do that. Let's say we got 20 leads, okay? And for an average credit repair client business that we've been working with, the average lifetime value of a customer is anywhere between $600 and $1,200. But the low ball all of this, just for number's sake, let's say an average lifetime client for you is worth $600. So 20 times 600. Let's do some quick math. 0, 0, 0, 12. You're making 12 grand off of 100 leads right there. But let's take away the $200. So minus 200. So you're looking at 11800. Bam, you're making 11800. That's how much you're making. So let me just keep that up there just to motivate you a little bit. Okay? So you're making that much money. Alright, but how do we do this? How is that even possible? This must be a scam or something. No, it's not. This is what every one of your ultra successful competitors are doing, that they just have not told you that yet. Because let's be honest, they spend years and years of just trial and error, wasting money, just making mistakes. Why would they want to show you? Good thing I'm selfless, and our team, they want to show you everything. They want to teach you everything completely for free. So you're pretty lucky. You're lucky you have me. So how do we do this? Once we have the leads popping in there at $2 per lead, they're not dishing you money yet. Right here is where they're going to dish you money. That's where you want to bring these leads over to here. Okay, so we have these leads here. From there, what we do is we put them into the nurture campaign. Now, this nurture campaign over here is a series of text messages, SMS for short, series of text messages, emails, and voicemail drops. Email and Vmail. Answer voicemail, by the way, if you didn't get that. So voicemail, email, and text message. So we found that most people don't really open up their email too much, but we saw out of 100 people, maybe 2% open them up. So we're making sure we're staying accounted for every single one, so that we actually do still send emails. Text messages. Most people actually do open their text messages. Most people are always on their phone. All right, so they do open up the text messages. Voicemails. I listen to voicemails. Do you listen to your voicemails? Maybe not, but most people do. So what we do is you send them these 3 things. We send them a text message, an email, and voicemail Pretty much the entire point of this is to get them to call you, get them to schedule a time to talk to you, but not to you. Not to you, because we want you to work the least amount of time and play the hardest, okay? That's a little slogan right there. Work less, play harder. So pretty much what I want you to be is I want you to be on the beach with your Lamborghini or Ferrari, or for me, my Porsche 911 Turbo, in the parking lot, and all you're doing is to be on the beach with your arm around your beautiful model over there, other one on your phone, and you're answering calls, pretty much just telling your new form clients exactly how to pay you. That's it. A 3-minute conversation with your clients, telling them exactly how to pay you. Probably even less than 3 minutes. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but pretty much. So we we get back to the topic, how exactly we do this. The nurture campaign, we send them a text message, an email, or voicemail. All this is pretty much just getting them to schedule a time with you, but not you, but your virtual assistants right here, your VA. So real quick, this Vmail is pretty cool. We set up an IVR system, is what it's called, and it sends a voicemail to the person, pretty much saying, "Hey, this is so and so with so and so credit repair company. We heard that you're interested in fixing your credit. Press 1 if you want to fix your credit today," or blah blah blah. They press 1 and they're instantly contacted to the VA. Now this VA, what we love about them is we hire them from the Philippines, and they're trained perfectly. All right, they know what they're doing. We hire them from the Philippines to speak perfect English, and their minimum wage in the Philippines is around $4 an hour, but we pay them $6 an hour. So we pay them $6 an hour. Okay, so now this VA, what they do is they qualify them. Bam, right here. See that? Qualify them. They have a script. They have your contracts. Excuse my handwriting. I'm a marker. I'm not a English person. All right, they have the scripts. They have the contracts, and they have all your info. And they have access to your membership portal. Your portal. Whatever. They know what I'm talking about. So they have access to your scripts, your contracts, your info, and your membership portal. So this way, they qualify them, pretty much asking them the one question, like, do you want to pay us? Are you ready to give us money? Pretty much that's what it's summing up to. Are you ready to give us money? And once they ask that yes, once they say yes to money, what our VA once they do then is they send them over to here, your Calendly. Calendly is pretty much just an online scheduling software that you're gonna integrate yourself, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna mark the times that you're available and mark the other times that you're. I was gonna say something that I probably cannot use in this ad, but you're gonna mark the times that you're available and mark the other times that you're doing other things with your model in your Ferrari. So that's the time. Just mark the times that you're unavailable and mark the times that you're ready to capture the check. And from there, when you're available, they're gonna schedule a time with you where your new clients are gonna call you, and once they call you, they're already qualified, they're already nurtured, they know what they're in for, they know how much it's gonna cost, and they're gonna call you up, and all you're gonna tell them is exactly how to pay them. Is exactly how to pay you. So they're gonna call you up like, "Hi, how do I give you my money? How do I give you my $600?" And you'd be like, "Oh, of course. Go to my Stripe account right over here and just put in your credit card." And you'd be like, "Bye," and just continue drinking your martini. That's it. So now, if you want to learn this entire thing, this entire ultra successful $1 billion funnel that only your ultra successful competitors are using, you know, the successful credit repair companies that have huge mansions, beautiful models, amazing supercars, amazing, I don't know, Ferraris. This is how to do it. So work less, play harder, watch that short masterclass, and learn this entire system. Honestly, I don't know why we're giving this away for free, but if you're really interested in scaling your business, if you're really interested in working a whole lot less, if you're really interested in putting systems in place that allows you the freedom to do whatever the F you want to do, you need to watch this masterclass, and you need to watch it now. So I'll see you there.
We did get our ROI, which is our return on investment. I only invested $1,000 and I made $10,000 back. You guys did an amazing job, and I do recommend these guys 10 out of 10, 100%. Thank you.